He taught us music. He taught us to smile. He taught us to give and right way to live. Can never thank you enough for being what you were and making us what we are. Gurave Namaha.
Okay, boss. Now let's listen to the rhythm of Andhra.
request them to please come on stage once and give a small gift to both the kids for a beautiful performance. Maza.
Please give them a big round.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, can you lend me your ears for a few more minutes? Yes? With your permission, I wish to speak to you. Yes? He wants to interrupt me. Let me hand over the mic for a second.
No, just one more gift is left. So I want to call Ritika on stage. Ritika, for the beautiful performance that she gave.
Here, may God enable you to perform like this forever. Okay, so as Jyoti Kumar sir said, good afternoon. No? Many children said, ma'am came all the way from Kerala. Today, truly, this is not just a simple reunion. You all were talking volumes that your teachers helped you, taught you. Let me tell you something. We have learned from you. We still remain like this because of these young faces. I am overwhelmed, I am humbled, and I would say I feel a bit flattered. We didn't know that we were such great influences on your life. I would like to make a quote from the famous poet Robert Frost. The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but we have promises to keep and miles to go before we sleep. This good time is about to end. We'll all go back to our homes. You people will go back to your families with happy memories, but remember we have promises to keep. And I'm sure today's reunion is a reaffirmation that we teachers have kept our promise to you. Do you agree? Really. I love this profession. Today, I feel I'm in love with teaching again and again. In 2 years, I have to step down officially from my job. We are all on the verge of retirement. Many of them have retired, but we'll be teachers forever. Now, with all your permission, all my friends will agree. Today's wonderful hats off. It feels as if I am in a paradise, truly. With all your permission, I know that today was possible, not with the effort of one or two, but combined efforts. But dear girls and boys, will you permit me to take a few names to appreciate here? Yes? So let's all together give a big hats off to the organizers, the people who troubled me to come here. Starting with Aruna. Aruna, can you just stand up? And this another boy there at the back, Abhilash. There's a sweet girl here. They took all the paints. They spearheaded. I will not say they did it alone. Oh, where is Kiran? He's not here. Yes, you may stand up, boy. I will never say that this was only their effort. You all join hands, and I also would like to appreciate those children far away in US or wherever it is, all together. Thank you so much for this effort. I know you have proved that we have trained you well. Well organized, and yesterday at the airport, 2 young men met me. Imagine taking the pains to travel all the way, this busy city. I am humbled. I don't deserve this. This day will forever be etched in my heart. So all good things have to come to an end. Thank you, dear children. Thank you. Teachers, let's all together give them a big thank you. A standing ovation for this. Will you all please stand up? They, not you. We are giving. So the curtain will be pulled down now, but we all go back. I go back to Kerala. Pandey sir and brother will go back to Goa and all. You'll all go back to your homes with beautiful memories of a beautiful day. For captured memories. Thank you, one and all. should we stand up for the national anthem?
Rahil, and he is my elder son, Arhan. He is doing his grade 11, and he is my younger son, Rayan. He is doing grade 12.
Thank you so much, Sadiha.
Hello everyone.
Hello everyone.
Hello everyone. Hi.
Hi.
As Jyoti Kumar sir said, happy afternoon to everyone. As all of you know, this is Emarna, practicing as family advocate. This is my family, my husband, G. Raju. He is working in state government. My daughter, Chandra Hasini, she is doing her BTech second year. My son, Bipin Chandra Prakash, he is doing his plus 2.
Good evening all. Really it's a wonderful gathering. I'm feeling so happy seeing you all. Really, I know last 3 months నుంచి మీ అందరి కోసం రెగ్యులర్గా ఫోన్ కాల్స్ ఇంటరాక్షన్స్ మా ఫ్యాకల్టీని కలవడం మేము రామచంద్ర రెడ్డి గారి కామెంట్ విజిట్ చేశాము ఇన్వైట్ చేశాము చాలా హ్యాపీ అనిపించింది థర్డ్ అయితే లాస్ట్ 3 months నుంచి కూడా ఈ అరేంజ్మెంట్స్ సబిహా మేడం అండ్ అదర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ తో మాట్లాడుతూ చాలా బిజీగా ఉంది ఎప్పుడైనా సక్సెస్ చేయాలని ఓవర్ ద నైట్ ఏ టైం అయినా సరే వాట్సాప్ గ్రూపింగ్ కానీ లేదా కాల్స్ కానీ చాలా ఇదిగా ఉంది చాలా బిజీగా పాటించి రేచల్ మేడం అయితే రేచల్ మేడము తులసి మేడము ఆ తర్వాత మిగతా ఫ్యాకల్టీస్ కూడా రెగ్యులర్ చెప్తా ఉండేది వాళ్ళందరూ కూడా మాకు బాగా టీచ్ చేశారు మా లైఫ్ లోని అయితే చాలా ఇంట్రెస్టెడ్ గా ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ అరేంజ్ చేసినందుకు ఆర్గనైజ్ చేసిన హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ అవర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ అండ్ టీచర్స్ రియల్లీ ఐ విష్ యూ ఆల్ మీ కెరీర్ లో కూడా మీ లైఫ్ లో కూడా ఇంత చక్కగా ఉన్నందుకు మీ అందరికీ కూడా ఒక ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ తెలియజేసుకుంటూ థ్యాంక్ యూ ఆల్.
This is Kalyani and this is my husband Palu and my elder daughter Anandika and that's my son Aditya. Thank you all the teachers for giving us this opportunity to see you after a long time. And usually we go for a parent-teacher meeting, but it's parents-teacher meeting for them. So they are also pretty excited and my son asked me who is your favorite teacher, who is the most sweetest one. I was not able to tell, he asked me 4 to 5 times because and then he was very angry and he said, "Mama, I'm asking you who is the most sweetest and kindest teacher for you." Said like everybody's sweetest and teachers. I had no such difference between any teachers. They are super good. So everybody is my best teacher. And but not only for them, but for my parents as well. Many of them, they still remember the obedience and respect our parents had towards you still remains the same. And I wanted to convey their respect as well to all the teachers who have come over here. And but to be honest, we don't have that parent-teacher meeting what our parents had with you. Thank you everybody, and especially thanks for all the organizers who has kept so many efforts, taking up those huge number of calls from everybody, making sure everyone participate here. Thank you guys, really appreciate all your efforts in spite of your busy lives. Thank you so much. And I also, maybe everybody will agree, but I just want to thank our parents as well who made their career and choose NTPC as their career and helped us to meet such a great teachers, school organization and have us that superb ambience which we can never ever give to our kids. Thanks. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Good afternoon.
My introduction.
So I'm Balakrishna Prasad. I studied in KVNTPC till 10th class from first. This is my family, my wife,
my son and this is my nephew. My sister's still is here for his summer holidays. I had very great. My father retired in 2018, so we no longer go back to TBC now. But I still have wonderful memories of them. All we all boys keep in touch with each other. But today is really special. Yes, after a long time, we also get to meet our teachers and others. Thanks to the organizers. It's a really great event. Right now I'm settled in Hyderabad. I live in Kukatpalli. I work in the software industry. Nothing much apart from that. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Hello.
This is my family. So he is Roni, my younger one. This is Rishin, elder one. And this is my wife Shilpa. So she is a school teacher. Yeah. So thank you all. I would like to thank everyone who made it possible. So seeing all my old friends. So I force my kids to show them like he keeps asking me like what it is all about. So this is all about friendships that you carry over the years to maintain. Hope this continues further. So that's all I would like to say. Thank you. Embarrassing. No.
And their family members. Very good afternoon. Myself Sashi Kiran. In first class I was in D section, and the ninth I was in A section. In between I am going to many sections. Basically I have two kids, two daughters. One is 12, one is 6. Right now I am working in Power Grid Corporation of India in Chhattisgarh, near to Gondwa. So that's it. Anything someone want to know? Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
He is my husband, Chandrakya, and she is my only daughter, Vikas. I am a housewife. Good afternoon, everyone. I am Dr. Jyoti. He has been assistant surgeon in Community Health Center, Pedmari. My husband is an orthopedic surgeon. My elder son, he completed 9th class, and my elder daughter, she completed 2nd class.
Second class.
My son's name is Ritwik Mastri. My daughter, Bazika Gyash. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. You have a beautiful family.
These are my two beautiful daughters, Kriti, this is Danvi, both are twins. My husband is working for Capital IQ. This is my small family.
हाँ भाई आप पिकअप मैं कुछ नहीं है थोड़ा फोटो है बोले हैं
What's your name? Shiva. I'm Shiva. Tell you about it. नहीं बताया चीटिंग नहीं की ना ठीक है this is for you.
हाँ नो व्हाट
You guys understood?
व्हाट इज
ये समझ में आया? Understood? Okay.
हेलो भैया
अभी क्या करना है? आप लोगों को जाना है दौड़ के और आप लोगों को लेके आनी है एक वाटर बोतल जो पानी से भरी हो पूरी भरी होनी चाहिए पूरी भरी होनी चाहिए बोतल पूरी भरी तो उठा लिया और what's your name? This is it. Parents को कितना पड़ेगा? It's okay. कोई बात नहीं, वो बहुत सारी सांसें हैं, ठीक है? Ready for the next round? आप लोगों को जाना है, दौड़ के और लेके आना है एक लेडीज फुटवियर, मम्मी की चप्पल लेके आनी, किसी की मम्मी की एक चप्पल ले लो यार, किस किस की हमें नहीं पहना चप्पल। ये चॉकलेट खाने के लिए चप्पल खिला रहे हैं, मुंह में डालने वाले थे मेरे से। लेके आना है फ्लावर, ग्राउंड को जाना है और लेके आना है कोई भी जेंट्स की बेल्ट। सही सही पापा के अंदर की बेटा वैसे नहीं I want this one. इसको बहुत आदत हो गई इससे पिटने की। आदत वाला कैसे? पांडु, पांडु पापा का नाम है। What पांडु? It doesn't name. What do you? Who gave you this time? Your father. He beats you with bed? No. He loves you. Say I love you, Papa.
I love you, Papa.
Come. This is for you. एक तो जोरदार तालियां मेरे बच्चे के लिए भी मेहनत कर रहे हैं। अभी लास्ट वर्ड दे रहे हैं। एक सॉक्स, जेंट्स के सॉक्स। What's your name? रिहान रिहान जीत गए। एक्सपर्ट है पापा की छुट्टी करवाने में। जोरदार तालियां हो रिहान के लिए। Now this is chance for all of you to win. Whoever will break आना है और अपने मम्मी पापा जो भी साथ में आए दोनों आए तो दोनों को लेके आना है, लेके जाए तो लेके चले आना। जो भी लेके जल्दी आइए पापा आइए। किसी के लड़का नहीं है? कर पास।
అన్న అక్కడే వచ్చాను అన్న
हमें
मणिलाल सर प्लीज कम, आपका बेटी को भेज दीजिए।
मारी देती होगी तो दिल में
Happy evening, all of you. That's nice. Really, we had a very colorful cultural extravaganza post lunch. Before lunch, we had the general formalities of felicitating the teachers. And then the afternoon session was very refulgent, very colorful, with all these lady teachers looking like 16-year-old brides. I couldn't believe people like Lalita and dancing so well that I feel that they can do better than some of these senior actresses. They was in full josh. Let's all clap for all the lady teachers and male teachers, the boys and the girls who did a nice dance here. That is one thing which I don't know. I don't know dance. That's why I said, don't pull me into this dance. It's been a very memorable day. Very memorable day today, I should say. Really thoroughly enjoyed. After a long time, it was a happy homecoming. Revisiting those memories of NTPC Jyotinagar Ramagundam in the midst of the students who were a part and parcel of such a alma mater, 1998 batch, really gave me a lot of thrill. Let's all clap for the organizers of today's absolutely fantastic. We should thank all these students. Some of them have come from outside Hyderabad. Some teachers have come from outside Hyderabad. So it's been a very collective endeavor on the part of the students, and the teachers also have participated in substantially large numbers to make this function a very nice and memorable event. जिंदगी की राहों में कई लोग मिलते रहेंगे. This is for my students. जिंदगी की राहों में कई लोग मिलते रहेंगे. कहीं कम कहीं ज्यादा मिलेंगे. एतबार जरा सोच समझकर करना मेरे प्रिय छात्रों. मुमकिन नहीं है कि हर जगह हम ही मिलेंगे. ओके. गुल खिले, गुलशन खिले और खिले गुलदस्ते. आप सबको जाने से पहले मेरा नमस्ते. धन्यवाद. जय हिंद.
अभी जैसे सर ने बोला हैप्पी इवनिंग, संध्या समय के समय शुभ संध्या, इससे मैं बोलती हूँ. जितने भी प्रबंध करने वाले हैं, प्रबंध करता, मुझे नहीं मालूम कितने लोगों ने मिलकर सब कार्यक्रम किया है. बहुत ही अच्छा रहा है बेटा, और आशा करती हूँ आगे भी आप लोग इसी तरह से हमारे साथ आए या ना आए, आप अपने सब मित्र मिलकर इस तरह के ऑर्गेनाइजेशन अगर करेंगे, प्रबंध करेंगे, तो शायद समाज में जो हमारी सोच जो बदल रही है, हिंसा की प्रवृत्ति जो बढ़ रही है, वो शायद कम हो. मिलजुल कर रहने की भावना, एक दूसरे से ईर्ष्या की जो भावना बढ़ती चली जा रही है, वो नौकरी व्यावसायिक रूप में हो सकती है, सामाजिक रूप में हो सकती है, किसी भी रूप में, तो वो कम करना है. तो हमें इस तरह से सामाजिक रूप से मिलना है. और जहाँ तक मेरा ख्याल है, आप सब अच्छे अच्छे पदों पर हैं. एक बात यहाँ पे मैं बताना चाहूँगी, हमसे जितना हो सकता है हम करने के लिए तैयार हैं. इस सोच से अगर आप लोग आगे बढ़ोगे, कम से कम अपने जीवन में किसी एक गरीब बच्चे को शिक्षित करना मेरा जो है मकसद है. मैंने अभी तक 5 बच्चों को शिक्षित किया है मेरे पति की मदद से. एनटीपीसी रामगढ़ में जब थी, मेरे घर में काम करने वाली मुस्लिम जो बच्ची थी, उसको मैंने 10th करवाया है. उसके बाद जो है 2 जो क्रिश्चियंस के बच्चे, मेरे साथ जाति धर्म भाई का भेदभाव नहीं रहता है. दोनों बच्चे जो अभी क्रिश्चियंस हैं, उनको मैंने पॉलिटेक्निक कंप्लीट करके अभी सिविल उसमें वो काम कर रहा है. दूसरा आईआईटी जो रहता है, उसमें मैंने उसके मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर के रूप में, इसमें सब में मेरे पति का साथ है. यहाँ पर अकेले नहीं कर सकते हैं बेटे. तो वो आज ऊंचे ऊंचे पदों पे जब जाती हैं, उन्हें देख के खुशी होती है. जिस तरह से मैं आपको देख, तो गरीबी की बात नहीं है, शिक्षित करना. तो ऐसे लोगों को जब हम शिक्षित करते हैं, मुझे बहुत गर्व होता है. माँ, मैं आज इसलिए बताना चाह रही थी कि आप लोग सब अच्छे अच्छे पोजीशंस में, आपके घर में भी काम करने वाले होंगे. अगर उनकी स्थिति ऐसी है, तो उनको एक शिक्षित 10 लोगों को जो है आगे बढ़ा सकता है. इस बात को याद रखिए. धन्यवाद माँ। आज मधुर स्मृतियों को ले मैं अपने दिलों में जा रही हूँ। तुम हो बच्चों जिनके बिना हमारा वजूद नहीं। जब तक विद्यार्थी हैं तब तक अध्यापक रहेंगे। अध्यापक के लिए शिक्षार्थी जो है, विद्यार्थी जो है, अनमोल रतन है। बिना आपके हम कुछ नहीं, हम कुछ नहीं, हम कुछ नहीं। धन्यवाद।
Thank you so much, ma'am. Before you continue, Sadhika, we have a surprise for you and other people who connected on this. I would like to call Aruna for the surprise.
చిన్న ఇటు వచ్చేయండి.
Respected teachers and my dear friends, I am comfortable to speak in Telugu. Shall I speak in Telugu? Yes. ఈ ఈవెంట్ 3 months బ్యాక్ నేను కండక్ట్ చేయాలని అనుకున్నాను. ఒకనొక టైంలో అందరూ ఎవరు ముందుకు రాలేదు గ్రూప్లో, వాస్తవంగా చెప్పాలంటే. సో ఈవెంట్ క్యాన్సిల్ చేద్దాం అనుకున్నాం. అంటే వాళ్ళ పర్సనల్ లైఫ్, సమ్మర్ వల్ల ట్రిప్స్లో ఉండటము, టీచర్స్ని ఇంకా అప్పుడు కాంటాక్ట్ అవ్వలేదు. సో జోయా తను మెసేజ్ చేసింది, పర్సనల్గా కాల్ చేసింది. టీచర్స్ అందరూ చాలా ఎక్సైటెడ్గా ఉన్నారు అరుణ, డోంట్ క్యాన్సిల్ ద ఈవెంట్ అని. జోయా తను టెక్సాస్లో డాక్టర్, షీ హాస్ నో టైమ్, షీ ఈస్ అ వెరీ బిజీ డాక్టర్. ఈవెన్ దో తను పర్సనల్గా ప్రతి ఒక్క గర్ల్ బాయ్కి ఈవెంట్ క్యాన్సిల్ అవ్వద్దు, ప్లీజ్ వెళ్ళండి, అరుణకి సపోర్ట్ చేయండి, ఈవెంట్ సక్సెస్ఫుల్ చేయండి, మేము ఆన్లైన్ ద్వారా జాయిన్ అవుతామని తను చాలా సపోర్ట్ చేసింది. తర్వాత ఈవెంట్ ఇంత సక్సెస్ఫుల్గా అవ్వటానికి మెయిన్ రీజన్ ఐ లైక్ టు కాల్ అపాన్ అభిలాష్ టీ కిరణ్. చాలా హార్డ్ వర్క్ చేశారు లాస్ట్ 2 months నుంచి. ప్రతి ఒక్క అంటే 4 ఆర్గనైజర్స్ ఉన్నాం, మెయిన్ ఆర్గనైజర్స్, నేను, అభిలాష్, టీ కిరణ్. ఒక్క టీచర్ కూడా మేము రావట్లేదమ్మా, వార్ అవుతుంది కదా, ఇబ్బంది అవుతుంది కదా అని సుభాష్ పాండే సార్ కానీ, రేచల్ మేడం కానీ, తులసి మేడం కానీ, దూరం నుంచి వచ్చే టీచర్స్ ఎవ్వరు కూడా అసలు మెన్షన్ చేయలేదు. వార్ వల్ల ఈవెంట్ ఆగిపోవద్దని అనుకున్నారు. వాళ్ళంతా గట్టిగా కంపల్సరీ ఈవెంట్ అవ్వాలి అనుకున్నారు. కాబట్టి ఈ ఈవెంట్ని మేము ఈరోజు టీచర్స్ ఎగ్జైట్మెంట్కి వాళ్ళ సహకారంతో, వాళ్ళ ప్రోత్సాహంతో ఇంత సక్సెస్ఫుల్గా, ఇంత గ్రాండ్ సక్సెస్గా చేయగలిగాము. టీ కిరణ్, అభిలాష్ టీచర్స్ని పికప్ చేసుకోవటం కానీ, డ్రాపింగ్ కానీ అన్నీ దగ్గరుండి చూసుకున్నారు. చాలా ఫ్లెక్సీస్ నుంచి కానీ, మీరు చూస్తున్న స్టేజ్ డెకరేషన్, ఫుడ్ డెకరేషన్, అన్నీ ఫుడ్ అరేంజ్మెంట్స్ అన్నీ వాళ్ళు దగ్గరుండి చూసుకున్నారు. మేడం అది అంటారు కదా, ఉమెన్ ఆర్ నాట్ లెస్ దెన్ మెన్ అని. దట్ సబిహా ప్రూవ్డ్ ఇట్. షీ వర్క్డ్, తను చాలా వాళ్ళ హస్బెండ్స్ రాహిల్ బ్రదర్ చాలా సపోర్ట్ చేశారు. వాళ్ళిద్దరు కలిసి చాలా బ్యాంక్వెట్ హాల్స్ తిరిగి ఈ హాల్ చూసి మమ్మల్ని అందరినీ రమ్మని చెప్పి బుక్ చేసి తను ట్రాఫీస్ కానీ, షీల్డ్స్ కానీ, టీచర్స్ గిఫ్ట్స్ కానీ, వాట్ నాట్, మీరు ఈరోజు క్యారీ చేస్తున్న గిఫ్ట్ ప్యాక్స్ కూడా, బ్యాడ్జెస్ కూడా, ఈవెన్ తన కష్టం, తను ఇంట్లో ఈ కేవీ ఎన్టీపీసీ రామగుండం ప్రింట్అవుట్స్ తీసి రౌండ్గా కట్ చేసి పిల్లలతో స్టిక్ చేయించింది. ఎంత హార్డ్ వర్క్ చేసిందంటే ఉమెన్ ఆర్ నాట్ లెస్ దెన్ మెన్ అని తను ప్రూవ్ చేసింది. సో గివ్ బిగ్ రౌండ్ ఆఫ్ అప్లాస్ ఆల్ దీస్. సంజీవ్ బెంగళూరులో ఉంటారు కాబట్టి ఆన్లైన్ ద్వారా బాయ్స్ అందరినీ గ్యాదర్ చేయటం, పేమెంట్ విషయంలో అన్నిట్లో మాకు సపోర్ట్గా నడిపించారు. వీళ్ళందరి సపోర్ట్తో, టీచర్స్, ఫ్రెండ్స్ సపోర్ట్తో ఈ ఈవెంట్ని మేము ఇంత సక్సెస్ఫుల్గా చేయగలిగాం. సో ఐ రిక్వెస్ట్ తులసి మేడం అండ్ జ్యోతి కుమార్ సార్ టు కమ్ ఓవర్ హియర్ అండ్ ఫెలిసిటేట్ దిస్ మై ఫెలో ఆర్గనైజర్స్. Give big round of applause to them.
కూర్చో ఫస్ట్
जोरदार तालियां हो जाए।
అరుణ కూర్చో ఫస్ట్ కూర్చో అభిలాష్ వచ్చేయండి
అభిలాష్ క్లాప్స్
जोरदार तालियां हो जाए संजीव के लिए। Aruna, your turn. Can we all stand once to give some respect to all the organizers? They have done lots of hard work to make this event possible. Thank you so much for this beautiful event, all of you. Thank you so much.
Beautiful smile. You're also a student. Bless you, brother. Are very special in all aspects, I'll tell you, trust my words. I worked in 7 KVs. Out of all 7 KVs, I always cherished achievements. Not only in studies, in every field, whether it is dance or exhibition or quiz, whatever, you name it, they are there and they excel in that. They did it wonderfully. Each one of you are highly talented. Trust me. So with that spirit, you carry on. Have a beautiful life.
Privilege to thank all the teachers, all the students who have traveled from different places of the world, from the countries. They have crossed so many countries and they just took out time for us. That's the important thing. And we had a real great enthusiasm which we have seen in teachers. And moreover it, I would like to thank all the teachers, all the students and their families. And I would like to thank special organizing committee which consists of, you have seen all of us, 5 of us really worked hard, tirelessly behind the scene to make this event a success. So I would like to thank our friends in India and abroad from different places. They have given us their support and they have sponsored for the teachers mementos, gifts and shawls. Our sponsors, generous sponsors are Joya, Sushant and Krishna Chaitanya. We also extend our gratitude to our MC Paras and our photographer Gopinath and Mr. Omkesh, staff and all the supporting teams who provided us with comfortable space, delicious food and seamless services. Lastly, I would like to thank my family who has given me a complete support to make this event possible for me. And would like to thank especially Aruna because she has put in hours together. She has gone above and beyond everything. And almost she has collected 80 students, 25 teachers. She has spoken to everyone personally. And getting us all together today is entirely her effort. We were there behind the scene, but yes, she was the face in front to just collect everyone together here. So hope this event we will cherish for our lifetimes, and probably we will meet frequently, maybe in a year, probably 2 times. So thank you once and all. Have a safe journey. Thank you.
Now we all have tears in our eyes almost, and one of our ma'am still wants to speak. Nagamani ma'am wants to say something to all of you. Nagamani ma'am. Emotions.
Say all the best.
All the best.
2 words. Money. बेटा NTPC रामगुंडम में जितने साल काम किया था, रिटायरमेंट के समय में भी हर पल मैं जिंदगी भर भूल नहीं सकती। ऐसे बच्चे, ऐसे टीचर्स, ऐसे प्रिंसिपल्स जो मिले थे, हमें इतना कोऑपरेशन मिला था, मैं जिंदगी भर भूल नहीं सकती। और पेरेंट्स भी, बच्चों को हम कितना पनिशमेंट देने पर भी एक पेरेंट भी हमसे कंप्लेंट के लिए नहीं आए थे। मैं जिंदगी भर ये वाला भूल नहीं सकती। मैडम जितना पढ़ाना है, जितना मारना है मार लीजिए, हम नहीं आते। मगर अभी बदल गया जमाना। हाँ, अभी जमाना बदल गया। क्योंकि बेटा हम यार ऐसे विद्यार्थी, ऐसे शिष्य हमें मिले थे, हम धन्य हो गए हैं आप जैसे शिष्यों के साथ। मैं बहुत आज इन्विटेशन आपके बाद मुझे ऐसा लगा, शंकराभरणम में वो शंकर शास्त्री जी ने एक बेटे ने उसको सम्मान दिया था स्टेज पे, वही याद आया। अरुणा का काल आते ही यही जमाने में ऐसे शिष्य मिले थे। मेरे हस्बैंड से यही कहा किया था, आप जैसे बच्चे, क्योंकि आगे पद भी आपका भविष्य उज्ज्वल रहेगा। एक केवी का स्पिरिट आपके नस नस में होना चाहिए, आपके बच्चे भी ऐसा ही जाना चाहिए। यही मेरी आपकी बात है। ये वैल्यूज हमारे बच्चों में हम धन्य हो गए हैं। आपने आज ये वाला कंडक्ट किया था।
लाइट इट दिप्पना
बेटा, मे गॉड ब्लेस यू, फूलों फलों हमेशा खुश रहो, यही मेरी दुआ है।
बोलिए KVS जिंदाबाद, KVS अंत में चलते चलते मेरे ये गीत याद रखना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना। फिर मिलेंगे। धन्यवाद।
क्या बात है, जोरदार तालियां हो जाए। तो लास्ट में बस 2 लाइनें कह के खत्म करना चाहूंगा आज का एक खूबसूरत दिन, कि कहते हैं कि कांटों पे चलती हुई जिंदगी में भी, कि कांटों पे चलती हुई जिंदगी में भी एक दिन खुशियों के फूल जरूर खिलेंगे। अच्छा चलते हैं दोस्तों, जिंदगी रही तो फिर मिलेंगे। जोरदार तालियां हो जाए आप सभी के लिए। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन।
Friends, we have sheets for every.
అందుకైతే అప్పుడు
One, two.